back again with another video, and today I will be showing you guys how I do my hot oil treatment using my DIY oil mixture. This oil I use for literally everything. I use it to moisturize my hair, for hot oil treatments. Whenever I'm doing like a deep condition, I just put some of it inside of the deep conditioner, heat it up with the deep conditioner, and apply it to my hair. But today I'm just doing the hot oil treatment. I will be putting the information about what's in it in the description box, so if you guys want to make it for yourselves, you definitely can. But I can say that one of the main ingredients in this oil is neem oil. It's pretty much used for everything. Because of the smell of it though, it's not advised to be left in your hair. It's mostly used as an oil for like washing your hair with. So that's one of the ingredients that is in this. I am using an old oil bottle that had an applicator nozzle to it because I can't find my other one. So that's what I'll be using in my hair today. My hair has been in this now for a week because I washed it last week and it's just been sitting in a low bun. The only time I actually had my hair out was for church on Sunday, so you already know, like, your girl had her hair protected. So today's the day that I'm actually doing a hot oil treatment, something that I haven't done in like so long, but definitely needed to be done today just to bring a little moisture back to my scalp because it's been suffering. So if you want to see how I do that, keep watching, and